I realized recently one of my favorite things to do is to spot fake handicaps at the airport. Oh! Oh man. We're gonna come back here after this and we're gonna fucking hucklebuck. This is what a hucklebuck is. It's group sex during a fire alarm. That's what a hucklebuck is. Huh? I've never done well during a fire alarm before.
It's just a drill. We're good. It's gone off in the last week a couple times. Everybody just hang out. I know the noise sucks. Listen to this fucking guy.
No problem. I got this, guys. This is how I prefer it normally. I normally like to perform in front of a foghorn, but this is much better. Yeah, this is much better. Yeah. This drowns out all the fucking ice bucket noise and all the, you know, in case anybody gets murdered in the corner, we'll forget all about it. No, I was there, yeah, and I didn't see shit. I maybe saw something. I didn't hear shit, because there was a fucking piercing kind of end-of-life emergency system. 84 people died at the St. Louis Funny Bone last weekend because they completely ignored a system that was designed to warn them. Oh boy. Okay. Woo-wee. All right. Well, it's all gravy now. Shit. Man. Just back to listening to the sound of our own voices now, huh? That was kind of nice for a second, just to be transported away. Thank you. We're back. We're back. Hucklebuck, yeah. Group sex in a torture machine. It's a classic Hucklebuck. Man, what the fuck? You make fun of their brick wall one time and they just an onslaught of sabotage. I look forward to being back here in 12 years. Jesus Christ. Look at Jay Leno just taunt me with his Tonight Show money. Yeah, he's still performing for fire alarms, huh? Fucking dipshit. All right, well, thank you for sitting through that. That could have been This is a sick game. This is a sick, twisted game at this point. This is a sick, twisted game at this point. I wouldn't blame any of you if you left. She hadn't budged from her phone in fucking 15 minutes. Are you controlling the fire alarm from your Facebook account? Jesus Christ, wow. Any music majors here? What key is that? Want to do karaoke? Anybody want to do fire alarm karaoke? In New York, something, something, something dreams are made of. We're in St. Louis, we're torture devices. Oh boy. This is the longest one out of the three. Just if I have if my internal timer is accurate at all, this is the longest of the three warning systems. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit it, Jim! Fucking dang. Golly. Okay. I'm sorry, guys. I do this every show. This is, it's kind of my thing. Risk your life comedy. It's, you know, escape rooms are hot now, so. I don't know. It's never going to wear off. It's always going to be funny. It's never going to not be funny. Who is running this fucking mall? Who is running this fucking dilapidated old broken down fucking shopping mall? This place has not been to code for years. It hasn't been to code. These bricks are stronger than the actual bricks. Turning to dust out there. Fucking Every 6 months is a new failed business across the way. Nobody fucking comes here anymore. You're chasing people out of here with torture devices. No shit. Jesus, goodness gracious gravy. Anyway, y'all vaccinated? Fucking hey. Just meditate, practice an inner peace, discover a higher purpose in your lives, you know? Think about things. Time to reflect when this is, you know, there's something invading your orifices. It's time for you to kind of really chill out and I mean, I don't want to get fired or anything, but I think everybody in the room deserves a beer for this shit, huh? Now I won't be back for 20 years. Wow. So this happens a lot, huh? You come to this torture chamber often? Holy shit.
I've been here for years.
What's the prognosis on this? Can we get a local weatherman? All right, so here you are at the Westport Mall. Over here is Fuzzy's Tacos. They're still eating quesadillas. Over here is Dollar Lemon Drop Shots. They are also not leaving the building. This is all you kind of laughing until it's all burnt out and you're like, nah, I think we should probably just fucking go home now. I mean, I'm glad you got to see some funny openers because this is a real fucking this is a real rape whistle of a set here. I mean, I'm throwing trash at you guys, and you're being the best crowd I maybe ever performed for. The best crowd I ever performed for is in a goddamn tornado warning. Is that why we're not leaving? This is a tornado warning. We should. This has got to be a real fucking fire. At this point, this is all. If we die tonight, we have no one to blame but ourselves. I will go down in history as the no-name comedian that was responsible for 84 people burning to death. Golly. Well, I mean, we could go outside in the courtyard, but honestly, that's how fucking bad the weather is in St. Louis. This is how bad the weather is in St. Louis. Is that you people are like, it's just a fucking fire alarm. Hey, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Don't stop talking, man. We're not going outside. We will not be going outside tonight. Holy shit. Boy, oh boy. All right, okay. I mean, we can go outside, but I mean, I feel like we should take a vote on that. Round of applause if you want to go outside. All right, let's get the fuck out of here, everybody. Okay. We'll continue this show when this fire alarm stops. And I'm going to keep pressing for that beer. Let's clear the building and then we'll fucking come back in here when this stops. See, some of you didn't want to leave. All right. I don't know. Look, I'm going to be the fucking band on the Titanic right now. I'm just going to sit here and play my fucking upright bass. I'll keep talking. I'm going to leave this decisions up to you. This is, I'll be here when you get back. I'll either be a fucking burnt up carcass, burned to death, or you feel free to leave if you want. Bottom line is, I think you should be able to avoid this torture, you should be able to avoid the noise. We're not trapped at an airport right now. No flight attendant opened the wrong door. We're not trapped at our gate right now. So if you want to leave, go ahead and leave. I'm going to stay here and withstand this. Boy, oh boy. They cannot pay me enough money to perform through this fucking chaos. We will keep the bar open after this disaster is done. I swear to God, if it's the last second I fucking set foot in the St. Louis Funny Bone, you people are getting a fucking free beer tonight. That's for goddamn sure. Yeah. Wow. I want to say this. I stand by everybody's behavior in this room. Whatever you chose to do through 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit it, Jim! Look, I really appreciate you. As a group of people, I find you absolutely hypnotizing. I really appreciate all your energies. The ones of you that walked out, some people are noise sensitive. Some people, that's a real... Did anybody bring their dog? I apologize. Oh man, let's just bring it down a little bit. Let's just bring it down. It's all right. We got to figure out if it's going to go off again. There's going to be a little rumble. There's going to be a little buzz till we can get back to a show. You guys are the fucking best. I stand by it. What a whirlwind. What a roller coaster this has been. Thank you. We just lived that. That was a traumatic event. Traumatic event. That fucking shit. How about it? Some of you didn't even fucking budge. I love you guys a lot. Yeah. This is not worse than my kids. This is not worse than my kids. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. How many kids you got, friend?
We got 4.
4 kids. How old are the kids?
2 old.
2 old. Yeah? Any chance they're out there pulling the fire alarm on your fucking date night? All 4 of them? Just a pack of rascals. How old are they?
15, 16, 19, and 23.
Oh, you're almost in the clear. Unless the 23-year-old's living in your basement right now.
Not quite, but she visits.
All right. Well, that's nice. You like that. You like when she comes back? Yeah, of course. All right. That's nice, happy family. Thank you for coming out. Thank you for. Do you got to get a babysitter for a 14-year-old? No, they can. They're just drinking all your. She runs the house. Yeah, she's in charge of your liquor cabinet right now. Thank you for being here. Yeah, no booze in the house. Can't keep it in the house. You learned that lesson the hard way. The 20. Yeah. All right. Okay. I understand it. Who knows? I'm a hurt dog. I'm a stray dog. I'm a jumpy stray dog. A jumpy rescue dog at this point. Say, yeah. Jangle your keys. I'll fucking piss my pants. What in the fuck, man? Just came back from a pandemic. You can't be fucking... Shock therapy. Remember how nice it was to be inside? To get bombarded with your sensory bombardment. Music's still playing next door. They have no idea what's going on. That fucking siren only went off in the comedy club. Wow.